to my channel. Today I am doing another wig install video. Alrighty, so let's begin. So right now I am just going to go ahead and part these bangs here. They're actually supposed to be baby hairs, and I'm just going to pin them back, and I'm about to cut off the ear tabs. And then I'm just cutting it into sections, so then that way when it comes time to cut it off, it won't be so difficult. Here I am just taking a alcohol on a cotton ball, and I'm just getting some excess glue off. I am using the Hold Me Down Erica J glue, and oh my gosh, you guys, I freaking love this glue. Like, this is some glue. Like, the name seriously says it all, and it dries so fast. I'm like, don't do nothing because it dries quick. Don't check the mailbox, don't use the bathroom, don't check your phone, don't do nothing, because this glue dries so freaking fast. Like, Erica J was not playing when she made this glue. She wasn't. But here I am just taking a popsicle stick, and I am just smearing the glue around my forehead. I used about 3 layers, I would say, because I wanted to wear it for 2 weeks. Yes, you heard me, 2 weeks. Now, when you look at the scalp, I actually should have bleached this wig. I'm still new at this whole thing, so I should have bleached the knots, but you know, we learn as we go. So until then, now we know that for next time. Here I'm just using this comb to pretty much melt down the lace onto the glue. And here I'm just checking to make sure it looks, you know, real, like it looks like my actual scalp. As you can see over on this side, I had to put some more glue down because, like I said, this glue dries so fast. I'll have everything linked in the description down below, so definitely check it out. So I am just taking a headband, and I'm pretty much just putting that on top of the lace to try and melt it down some more. I probably didn't let it melt as long as I should. I probably should have let it sit for like 30 minutes. I didn't wait long enough. As you'll be able to tell, I tried to cut the front part of the lace off, and some of the wig comes up because it's not glued all the way down. So hence to the reason why I had to cut it in 4 sections instead of 3. I'm actually using an eyebrow razor to cut the lace off. It just gives it more of that natural look towards my scalps. Here I had to go and put some more glue down because, like I said, this glue dries so fast. My son was bothering me, so I had to get up and go get him something, and by the time I got back, the glue was completely dry. So yeah, definitely don't walk off and do anything when you're putting this stuff on. That front piece I am going to have to cut off a little bit just because there is a little bit extra there. And here I'm just using the tail end of my comb to try and press that down in there, finishing up the other side as well. And there, like I said, I had to cut that piece off there, so we're just getting rid of that. And now we're just blow drying everything, trying to melt everything down, make it look as natural as possible. And I'm just parting the wig, pretty much getting ready to style it. I do pluck it off camera because I just was having such a hard time plucking it. I needed a closer view. And then I'm also going to go ahead and put some TinasheHair wax down. I actually need a hot comb, but you know, I only have the old school one and I'm not really great with that. So until we get a hot comb with the wire, we're going to use this for now. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys aren't subscribed already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.